Okay, here is our revised drawing. So the peninsula, with those revisions, first thing, this comes out 134 inches. It grew maybe 10 inches. So our appliance lift, and these cabinets need to be this size to make this work. Appliance lift, trash, 36-inch sink, dishwasher, and the blind corner. So this door opens up. There's shelves mounted to the back of the door, and then two rollouts roll to the left to gain access to those. And then there's a drawer above. Drawer stack, spice rollout, 30-inch range. Another drawer stack. The blind corner, just a mirror image of this one. Same width. Drawer stack. This is 20 inches wide. Open shelving behind these doors, and then this is 25 inches deep. And then the fridge. These uppers we have at 14, but we could probably shrink it back down to 12 since we're changing this, but that wouldn't affect anything with the price. But just to note, we can push these back unless you want those that deep. And then the hinges for this door would need to be swapped around. Bookshelf on the end of the island, and looking, it's a tough angle with the 3D. So let's do this here. Microwave, drawer stack, and then the bookcase. So off the email you sent me, those are some of the changes. So if that works, let me know. We still have this cabinet, which pops out. That countertop will be out about 14 inches from this wall. And there'll be a panel on the side that will go to the wall to cover that up, and there's paneling all along the back since the seating's been deleted. So if that's what you're looking for, let me know and I can adjust the estimate. And if you, let's see, I can go to this view so you can see the sizes of the cabinets. The appliance lift should actually be over here. Range wall, you can see how much the cabinet overhangs. That's the end of the wall. Your uppers, the fridge wall, and then the microwave, the drawer stack, and then the side of the bookcase would be right here, and it's 12 inches deep. And I didn't put a door above it because it'd be so shallow, or excuse me, a drawer. All right, let me know what you think. Thank you.